Who's that?
Bee Baby.
How old is she?
She is 2 months old.
Has she been a good girl?
Yes, she got a lot of stuff for Christmas.
Show me y'all's slippers.
She didn't want to wear hers.
Well, show me yours. Stick your foot out. Well, she didn't have hers on. Doesn't she have some too?
Well, yeah. But check.
Come show me your doll, Annie.
Oh, she doesn't have her night hat on, but I'll be there in just a few seconds. I'm trying to find it. This hotel is nice, isn't it?
Are we at the American Girl Hotel?
Yeah.
They don't have American Boy hotels.
Oh, yes. They're American boys. Can you put on her slippers? Hey, put on her slippers now.
In just a minute, I'm doing the camera. You don't know how to do it? I gotta see Annie's doll.
This is Felicity.
Ooh, that's pretty.
These are her slippers, her gown, her robe, which matches mine. I have a gown that's the same. I'm not wearing it. And this is her nightgown.
Well, let me see your slippers. Are they the same as hers?
No, they're Elizabeth's.
Oh.
Isn't she pretty?
Very pretty.
I'll dress Elizabeth and I'll show you her. Okay?
Okay.
Now can you do baby slippers?
How many kisses you gonna give me?
2.
How many hugs?
2.
All right. I love you. Bye.